Welcome in the makeup therapy. I'm Manuela. I'm 45 years old mom who loves makeup, and on my channel you see how I'm switching off from depression to expression, and that is helping me to to force day by day. Lately forcing, sometimes really enjoying. And I will show you what I got in my Plouise budget box. That is month of August, I guess, because I got it in September. I opened this, but clearly I opened this and I peeped because I didn't want to have any of these papers or something, whatever. But I want to show you what is inside because I'm excited over this. As look like this. All right. I will show you thing by thing what I got here. Let me just put it down. So the first things which was kind of split out, it's this magazine. The Plouise is adding the magazines to their orders, and here is with Michaela from on the back. Michaela from TikTok. The TikTokers they was collaborating with, and this is the Rumor O2 base. I have today Rumor 03. I'm getting through it, and I had number 2 and I use it, and yeah, I like it. I'm happy to have it. Now what is here? I knew about the fact that we will get the lip liners, and I love lip liner from Plouise very much, and this is for me it was take me away. I will hot collection, made with love, that's what we like. And here is meal deal, three orders of shades of the selection list, just perfect for babe. It's something hard. Me reading without glasses. Sorry guys, I don't have any contacts. I have some problem with the, and this is like, how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lip liners. Whatever color I was thinking to myself, I will love it because I have reds, and let's we will see what they are like. They are on, yeah. I will swatch them now because I want to see how they look like. I'm excited over this. I knew that it was sneak peek and they was showing like 3 kind of collection. Let me put my glasses. Sorry if it will be reflection, but I want to read the names. The first is the lightest shade, and the lightest shade name is Butterfly Effect. No, we know this effect. I hope that my hands is quite clean because I was doing makeup, so I'll make a little. This is the color. It's like quite neony in the real life. I will like that. Definitely I will use it. This is Code Red, and it's also like bright, more orangey red. I like that too. I know I don't have such a shades at all. Although I got something from Temu, like I bought myself Temu liners just to try. Fun and Games right now, another red. It's more like true red. It's more pink into that. I like it very much. I like more that kind of pink leaning. I very much like Bordeaux wine tones. This is what? Gel, no. Rose tinted. I was just taking it upside down, so with me anything is possible. I'm just getting old, so you'll have much fun with me. Oh, this one is like darker version of the first one, I feel. Not that I'm specialist in this light, sorry for the noise. This again upside down. Small talk. I'm not great with that. Oh, this one was a little bit. Particle was separating. It's like a rusty. See, rusty tone. I like that a lot. This small talk. That is something that I will enjoy definitely. Now we have shade called Don't Call Me. Yeah. I don't know, Plouise. I might call you. I might call to tell everybody what I'm using. Because now I will have more than one and I like them. Also pretty. Yay! This is a good box already. This one, I already love it, even not liking it. This is Warning, Closed Door. Sexy shade like Bordeaux. Oh la la. I like that a lot. This is this two up here. Will activate my imagination. No Promise. It's story of my life. Very nice shade. I will really enjoy that one. This is like brownie Bordeaux. Another one, we have two more. Another one, it's called Snapshot. It's like brown, and I love browns. Oh, Plouise, thank you very much. Oh, I love you. I'm so happy to have this. I will not put that back. I will just keep it. And this one, oh, this one looks good. Lights Down Low. I like sexy dark lips. And this one is very pretty too, like a little bit like purple undertone of brown, strictly brown, but with a little bit like, I see some kind of purple-ishness to that. Guys, I have bunch of lip liners from Plouise. This is so cool. I like that a lot. I will not put that maybe to this packaging, but just for the sake of me not making bigger mess than I have. Another item, another thing is this box. And this box say After Dark. Do not disturb. Adventures start after dark. A little bit of me talking. I always talk like that. Not that I'm anything starting, but I like the vibe. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh my. Oh. So this is the lashes. Like, woohoo! If you don't need fun, you can just blink. So fluffy. Wow, amazing. Own the night. Oh, definitely you own also the wind of the night with these lashes. Then we have a Glisten to Your Heart glitter liner duo. Yeah. Exciting. Okay, believe me, you see, I need to open this kind of plastic. Ruin the packaging, that's for sure. There's a little tape here. Stubborn one, but we fight with it. It's not the first stubborn one, right? Okay, they look like this, like a black. Let's try them on. I don't know how they look like even. I don't think that I have. This is what they look like. I don't know. Are we gonna be friends? Well, maybe not. Not that the effect is nice, but the precision is not there for me. And I have hooded eyes. Maybe some accent somewhere somehow. I will try, definitely use this. You know, I'm gonna try. This one is very pretty. I like this. It's like a gold but a champagne. Very sexy. Yeah, I see that it's kind of sexy. I also see that it would transfer on any of my sexy object with me, so I don't know. And now here it's after dark. Adventure start after dark for sure. And here is like written off, like a button. Very cute. I like this. I like this. What they say, do not disturb, adventure set after dark. Okay, we know that. And here's like play tape, like a tape, right? Am I correct? Are we recording? Let me open this. Alright. And this is a palette. I like that. Take the plastic off and show. This is the palette. I like this a lot. Little goodness me. Let's watch that. Why not? So first shade which I will swatch is Latin Nights. The light one here. It's like taupey gray. Light shade, very nice. Now I will start this row, down row, okay? Adventure o'clock. It's dark enough. You know, I'm always joking that I want to go to cinema but not watching the film, but this is just a joke, you know. And Starling Secrets, this one. Just gently, just the swatches are just gently. Don't want to ruin this little palette. Ooh la la! But it's pretty, it's really pretty. I'm excited. This is a good box. But I was excited for the eyeliners and I was liking all of them. So now another shimmer, it's switch off. It's this one and has a switch off the sign here. You see? So cool. Such a nice small things make a really big difference. And the shade is looking beautiful. Very sexy shade. Very elegant and I think user friendly. For sure I would use a lot of these shades. Like Midnight Muse, if I will be just having a minimal collection, I think that I will be very happy with this. Oh, this is a very good pigment. Like a gray tone, very dark shade. And then we have completely dark and it's called Black It Out. And it is black. So this is the colors from that. We have one more thing, so let's see what is that. Wow, I love this so far. So far I love this. Here's another packaging, little small, like this. And it's called Play Your Cards Right. And it's like a deck card. And let me open this. Oh, this one I damaged a little bit. Okay, but we have it. Little struggle. Oh, this is it's a queen. What does it say? Play your cards. Look like this, and you have like side, like a button to open. Okay. Oh, all right. And you have like two sides with the plastic sheet. I'm trying to take it out. Okay. So I think that this is the lipstick palette, and we have 12 shades, and it's like nude shades. They are rather light. But I think that for mixing, for adding something, I'll try. I'm excited for that. Here, this one has some bubbles, so look a little bit weird. It's not like touch, but it's just from machine, I think. Yeah, maybe not exactly matchy with the lip liners, but we will work with it. I'm very excited to try this. I didn't have anything beyond the lip liner lip liner, one lip liner. I don't know how I get this one lip liner, but I didn't try any lipsticks from, I have some lip balm or something like that, but no lipsticks from Plouise. So I will be excited to try it. Guys, tell me what do you think about my box. I think that it's lovely, really. I think that it's really lovely. I know that I know for sure that I will be exciting to use the liners, because I really like this fearless. This is my favorite. I'll put you here to just to show you. And I have like dupe in this already. I can see this is my favorite. This one on the top, one of my favorites liner. And I see that this here is really twin to that shade. So I'm happy, very happy to have it. Thank you so much for watching. That's what I got today in this budget box. Yeah, I'm kind of I don't know. I'm kind of converting to Plouise last days, so I want to use what I have. Not that I want to buy another one, but they got me this time with the budget box, because I really, when I hear that the liners, I was saying I don't care what, how, I will grab this box and I will just try to have my collection rich in that Plouise liners, and I'm happy to have it all reds. Oh my goodness, that will be very I'm very ready for Christmas with those. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, just like in playing, you first and then others, and I hope that I will see you in the next time, in my next video. Subscription and bell helps to see when I'm uploading the videos. It's irregular, but trying to be more than less. It's a therapy, and you know, it's going. We're taking day by day. Thank you so much one more time. Bye.